Welcome to Shorty Health and Fitness, Corporate Wellness Solutions. Today, we will be learning if myofascial release intervention does help with sleep and recovery. And if so, how? We will then conclude with a 60-second call to action challenge that can be done at your desk or within your workspace. So, does myofascial release, also known as soft tissue manipulation, help in both sleep and recovery? Well, let's review some of the benefits. Myofascial release reduces pain and discomfort by reducing restrictions in the muscle fascia. It also improves circulation and blood flow, which then helps nutrients and oxygen delivery to important tissues that include the brain and the muscles of the body. This improved nutrient and oxygen delivery promotes healing and does in fact reduce inflammation. Third, myofascial release intervention reduces stress and promotes relaxation. It improves flexibility and range of motion. And lastly, it helps and facilitates tissue recovery. Given these benefits, yes, myofascial release, also known as soft tissue manipulation, does offer a holistic approach to improve sleep and recovery by addressing the underlying causes of pain, stress, and restricted movement. Plainly put, myofascial release reduces tension and cortisol levels, allowing your employees to help sleep a deeper sleep. Also, poor recovery is linked to brain fog, low motivation, and higher risk for injury. Myofascial release is your workplace wellness solution. Awesome. It's now time for the challenge. We have the seated forward fold, and we're going to do this from a chair position. All right, so we've taken our position. Now we're ready for the seated forward fold stretch from a chair position. All right, first thing we're going to do is extend our legs out. All right, we're going to keep a slight bend in the knees, and the feet, you can bring them as close as you want to. The closer is going to be a little more challenging, but that's fine. We're here to challenge ourselves, okay? And what we're going to do, we're going to reach for our toes. If you have the flexibility to reach further and grab the midfoot or the bottoms of your feet, you can go ahead and do that. We're going to hold for 20 seconds. We're going to come up for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then we're going to hold for another 30 seconds. All right, 20 seconds in a stretch, 10 seconds off, another 30 seconds back into the stretch. We're breathing in through our nose, exhaling out through our mouths the whole time. 3, 2, 1, go. Breathe in through your nose, exhale out through your mouth. Make sure you keep a slight bend in the knees. It doesn't have to be fully locked out. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. 4, 3, 2. We're back down. 30 seconds here. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You should also be trying to come a little bit deeper, but you must make sure you reach a point of tolerable discomfort. Don't go past anything that's not tolerable. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Awesome. Awesome work. That was a seated forward fold from a chair position. That can also be done on the floor, but for purposes, because we are dressed very nicely, we're at the workplace, All right? We want to make sure that we stay off the floor. A stretch like this lengthens the spine, it stretches the hamstrings, and it relieves tension in the back, neck, and shoulders. And it has been known to alleviate some, not all, but some knee-related issues. Awesome work with the seated forward fold stretch. You should be feeling some of that tension alleviated from your neck, your back, and as well as your hamstring region. Possibly your glutes, but definitely your neck, your back, and your hamstrings. And something like this will also help with some knee-related issues. For more actionable solutions, be sure to follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and of course, subscribe to my website and my YouTube channel. Business owners, HR leaders, and wellness coordinators, don't wait until your employees are in pain to take action. I'm now offering exclusive on-site wellness workshops to bring my unique techniques directly to your team. Just simply DM me or click the link in the bio to reserve your spot now. See you in the next video. Let's build healthier workplaces together.